Today, I want to share 3 pieces of information that everyone that asks about dental insurance bring up. But before I do that, I want to take a moment to talk about how important dental is. And matter of fact, it's so important that most seniors going on Medicare, the #1 topic for them is actually the dental coverage of their Advantage plans. And the sad thing about that is if you don't spend the previous 20, 30 years taking care of your teeth, by the time you turn 65, it's a bit too late. And a matter of fact, teeth are so important. According to the American Academy for Oral and Systematic Health, did you know that your dental health can impact you and prevent diseases such as cardiovascular disease, Alzheimer's, diabetes, and cancer? The first thing I want to talk about is the waiting period. Unless you're getting dental coverage from an employer, most plans on the open market have a waiting period. And what I've discovered is the more affordable the plan, the longer the waiting period. But on average, you can expect to wait 6 months before you have access to most of the services covered by your dental insurance plan. Additionally, I want to talk about PPO plans. PPO plans are great because they give you access to a lot of providers. However, a lot of people don't know that there are networks in PPO plans. So if you see an out-of-network provider, you'll have a higher copay or co-insurance for using that plan. So even if you're on a PPO dental plan, you definitely want to use an in-network provider, and you have to ask them specifically because they'll just ask you, do you have a PPO plan? You'll say yes, they'll charge you, and then you'll be surprised with the bill. And lastly, I want to talk about braces and implants. A lot of people want to get their teeth fixed in their later years. However, braces, unless medically necessary, are typically not covered except for some employer-sponsored plans, and usually implants are not covered as well because they're considered a cosmetic procedure. However, after getting implants, the dental plans tend to cover the maintenance of the implants. So if you're in need of a dental plan, be sure to visit me at Summit Insurance USA. You can put in your name, your date of birth in the contact us section, and I will be more than happy to email you a quote and a summary of benefits. And as I add more states, I will update the back part of this video so that way I can let you know which states I'm covering and what plans are available. Thank you for watching. Have a great rest of your day.